Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the town of Rouleau, Saskatchewan, a place where history and community spirit come alive. Rouleau has a rich history that dates back to the late 19th century when the Canadian Pacific Railway brought new opportunities and settlers to the area. This town has been a backdrop for many film and television productions, including the popular series Corner Gas, which has brought a touch of fame to this otherwise quiet community. The town was named after Judge Charles Borromée Rouleau, a prominent figure in Canadian law. Over the years, Rouleau has maintained its small-town charm with a population that values its agricultural roots and the beauty of the surrounding prairies. Whether you're exploring the town's historic buildings or enjoying a meal at a local diner, Rouleau offers a unique glimpse into the heart of Saskatchewan. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Rouleau, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching.